Honorable Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen. Introduce, my name is Nursabilla Dwi Hardjono. May myself speak as a delegation of Switzerland Confederations. So, we are gathering here today would like to talking about the coronavirus pandemic and about the vaccinations program that held in all over the world. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Switzerland Confederations and Commissions, and on my behalf, personal, I would like to welcome all of you in here today, rolling out of the COVID-19 vaccinations program. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted almost every corner of life, causing global economics, changing the way we work and connections with the other of loved ones, and stretching healthcare system to their limits. Governments around the world have been forced to implement harsh restrictions on human activity to curb the spread of the virus. We have been following all preventive measurement and advice by public health experts like wearing of masks, frequent washing of hands, and physical distancing. Still, we are not there. COVID-19 vaccinations is now offering a way to transitions out of this phase of the pandemic. Without them, natural herd immunity will not be able to restore society to its normal status quo, and that it would have resulted in extreme fatality. Fortunately, the beginning of 2021 saw numerous vaccines given emergency approval and begin their rollout in countries across the world. As of March 2021, over 300 million vaccines doses had been administered to the worldwide. Despite this high infection rate, Switzerland found the pandemic relatively successful. Since the first case announced, the Swiss Confederation's government has started following the WHO advice, such as requiring masks in public transport and health facilities, and conducting mandatory 5-day isolations after testing positive to the coronavirus. Switzerland responds to humanitarian aid, and we already give the humanitarian COVID-19 help in several countries, especially in Asia that close to China. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we learn something new every single day. Sometimes good, sometimes challenging, sometimes downright surprising, but all helpful. Regarding what WHO said that there will be setbacks and new challenges in the year ahead. For example, new variants of COVID-19 and helping people who are tired of the pandemic continue to combat it. At present, WHO are working closely with the scientists all over the world, better understand any and all changes to the virus and how these changes affect its ability to spread or make people sick, or any potential impact on available tests, treatment, and vaccines. It is clear that vaccine will allow society to get back normal, and for restrictions to be permanently eased. Healthcare workers and public health experts have another task of educating people, as this helps to build trust in the decision to offer vaccinations, without which the world will not be able to overcome the pandemic and return to normal life. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all vaccine and medicine carry a risk of side effect of all of them are contaminatory to nature. In this case, the risk of severe disease and death from COVID-19 are many times higher than the very small risk related to the vaccine. We continue to appeal to all people to please be careful. It is fact that the vaccine gives us light at the end of the tunnel, but we're not there yet. The vaccine are only one of the many tools we have to prevent infection and save lives. The right approach is a very comprehensive approach. We must all continue to protect ourselves and those around by making the right choice. Excellencies, distinguished delegate, ladies and gentlemen, at this junction, I would like to declare the start of this vaccination program to all the government and all over the world, in all of the countries of the world that have high level spread of COVID-19 pandemic. We would like to propose all the countries that gathering here today to work together, to fight together to this pandemic for our children, our family, our nations, and for the gorgeous life that we really want to. Thank you.